case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Oregon Court of Appeals grappled with a unique quandary in Portland General Electric Company v. Tabor, a 1997 case centering on the monetary damages for a negligently destroyed wooden power pole. The injured party, Portland General Electric, PGE, locked horns with Farmers Insurance Company, insurer of the guilty motorist Johnson, over the precise measure of compensation due. The roots of the lawsuit trace back to PGE's claim for full cost replacement of the destroyed pole. Buttressing their demand with a full replacement cost rule adopted in 14 states, PGE sought to recoup the entirety of their losses. The trial court, however, refuted PGE's argument, ruling that PGE was only entitled to the undepreciated value of the lost pole, a measure based on sound accounting principles. Attempting to overturn this verdict, PGE appealed. The Court of Appeals was left to navigate through the complexities of undepreciated and depreciated value approaches, each having their own set of proponents. PGE continued to champion the full replacement cost measure, while farmers lobbied for the undepreciated cost rule, a method acknowledging the average projected life of the pole. In the court's quest for a coherent measure that ensures systemic fairness for power pole loss cases, the undepreciated cost approach emerged as the most equitable solution. The court ruled that the full replacement cost method would inherently overcompensate the utility company in every case. It upheld the trial court's decision, limiting PGE's recovery to the undepreciated value of the wooden power pole. The court's decision featured a cautionary note for PGE, as they had failed to provide a rational justification for having a 37-year depreciation lifespan for the poles for tax purposes, without applying the same yardstick for calculating damages. This discrepancy further solidified the court's choice of the undepreciated cost approach, reinforcing the importance of uniform standards established on sound accounting principles.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.